Guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. I don't always tell you what you want to hear, but I tell you what you need to hear to make an informed decision. Now, we're here to answer why Casper's pumping and if it's time to buy. So let's get into it. Take a look at the chart on the screen. It doesn't get better than that. We're in a bear market, in a recession, and Casper's pumping. Well, why is that? Casper has NFTs, and that protocol was called CEP47. Well, it's been upgraded to CEP78. And guys, it's cutting edge technology and it's a big deal, at least to Casper customers and future customers. So, what is CEP78? Well, it enables organizations to maintain upgradability over NFTs, even after they've been deployed, to ensure they can meet changing business requirements and evolving customer preferences. So basically, guys, as far as I know, no other blockchain or protocol has that where you can deploy a NFT and make changes to it. Now, you kind of think that it defeats the purpose, but there's going to be so many applications in the future for NFTs. And what came to my mind was, imagining a big marketing campaign and whatever was linked to that NFT. Let's say everything was going well, but you just wanted to change the logo. You'd have to do a complete, new NFT and a new campaign. Well, I'm assuming you can just change the logo. I may not be reading that right, but either way, it's good news and it's pumping that token. Now, is it time to buy? Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you my thoughts. I love Casper, and I've created a video a couple weeks back that I'll leave down in the description. If you haven't watched that, it tells you a little bit more about Casper. But here's my thoughts. We're in a recession. We're definitely in a bear market. There's no reason for any token to maintain a pump. Now, some of them might be able to pull it off. However, I believe this will burn out, and it's already overbought. Now, as a trade, I might be looking to short this thing. Now, that's very short term and it's aggressive. I don't recommend it to anyone else that hasn't been trading or definitely that's not familiar with leverage and short selling. But in my opinion, this thing's not going to keep pumping unless something else turns around and starts pumping hard, like Bitcoin, because maybe we got some good news, or Bitcoin might be oversold. Now, that's just my thought process. Now, after that, being that we are in a recession, and I do feel this is going to pull back, it's a great time to start stacking. To me, if you could start buying it at, 0.03 and under, get to stacking. Dollar cost average down. I don't think you can go wrong long term. I'm more of a swing trader, kind of, a couple of days, couple of weeks, couple of months, and long term. Now, in a bull market, I day trade, and I get a lot more aggressive. But in this environment, you don't want to force these trades, in my opinion. But when you see something running, yes, this is great news. And a lot of people might, start FOMOing in short term. But if I do short this thing, when you look at this chart, guys, I mean that's pretty aggressive for this market. So what I might be looking to do, and I really am going to start looking at it, but if I went ahead and put about a quarter of my money in right there, and then if it moves against me more, put a quarter in, another quarter, and another quarter, I really feel like this thing will pull back. If nothing else, just a correction down in here before it runs again. So I think it's a very, very good trade. It is aggressive, and I'm not negative at all on Casper, but I am realistic that it's hard to maintain a pump in this environment. Outside of that, I'm going to be stacking Casper all during this downtime. If it lasts 2 months or 2 years, I'm going to keep stacking Casper. I'm very, very bullish. So anyway, guys, that's the update of what's going on with Casper. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Are any of you guys FOMOing in? I highly don't recommend it, but again, not financial advice. But long term, if you can start stacking on a pullback, I don't think anyone can go wrong. Anyway, what you got, guys? Let me know in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We want you to be part of this community. So go ahead and subscribe and mash that notification. Either way, go ahead and hit the like button, come back, and be part of this community. I'm stacking.